How to change email in TikTok account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. You will be led to your profile, so go ahead and tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and further tap on the settings and privacy option. Now, under Accounts tab, tap on the Account option and then tap on the User Information option. You will then see the option for email. Tap on that. Now, in the pop-up that appears, tap on the Change Email option. You will then receive an email in your existing email address with the code. So go ahead and enter the code sent to you and you will further be allowed to change your email. So type in your new email and further tap on the Send Code button you see there. You will then receive a new code in the email you just entered. So go ahead and enter the code further, and with this your email will be changed successfully. So this is how you can change email in TikTok account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.